Your crawl space, your home, and your health can be seriously affected by soil gases and unhealthy VOCs. Standard vapor barriers are excellent for moisture control, but have only been minimally effective at reducing soil gases like radon and VOC levels. With the potential for all of this nasty stuff to enter the home through the crawl space, a better system had to be developed. A peek inside the lab gives us a view of Cappy and his team of scientists in development of a revolutionary new crawl space liner material. A specialized laminating process marries 7 layers of protective materials into one unique system. 4 layers of durable tear-resistant material, 2 layers of binding agents, and 1 EVOH-infused vapor gas barrier are all rolled into this one-of-a-kind liner material. Introducing WhiteCap VOC Block, the ultimate in crawl space protection. VOC Block is 800% more effective than standard liners at keeping dangerous gases and VOCs at bay. For a healthier home, ask for WhiteCap VOC Block reinforced vapor and gas barrier from your certified WhiteCap installer.